Well, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AshaKosh, and we're back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Asha. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post, and to be following me on all my social media accounts so that you can stay with the crew. Because if I'm not posting on YouTube, Xrsbeauty, I'm posting on Instagram, I'm posting on TikTok, I'm posting on Snapchat. So just be a part of the fam so you don't miss out, okay? So today we are doing a video about how to grow our Instagram accounts. I get a lot of questions how I got my Instagram, how it is. In the last video I did one in 2020, you guys really liked it. So I said for 2021, we'll come back and do another video about how to grow your Instagram with the new 2021 algorithms on Instagram. One thing that's new about Instagram is Instagram Reels. So, if you guys haven't seen Reels, I don't know where you've been. They've been out since last year. The Instagram Reels is competing with TikTok. If you guys don't know about TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I am going to be doing another video about how to grow your TikTok. So, if you guys are interested in that video, stay tuned. But yes, let me get back to Instagram. Instagram has stolen TikTok by making Instagram Reels because, as you guys know, TikTok was supposed to like go away, but then Trump was gonna ban TikTok, and then TikTok said no, you're not, and now TikTok is alive and thriving. Is one of the biggest platforms literally known to man because it's so easy, because they're algorithm that anybody can pop, and it's just by doing videos, 30-second videos that you can do on your phone. Well, for me, I've been using my TikToks that I've been making, like old TikToks that I made all of 2020, and I've been posting on my Instagram, and literally I have 3 of them that have over 1 million views, and then a ton of them that hit 200k, 500k, 700k, 800k. Like, I have tons of views on my Instagram Reels, and that actually boosted my Instagram following. So you need to be posting Instagram Reels to your Instagram. Just the same TikToks that I'm making on TikTok, I'm literally posting on Instagram Reels, and I usually use TikTok for a tester. Like, I'll put all of them on TikTok, and whichever ones are really good on TikTok, I'll put on Instagram, and then Instagram will blow it up even more. Also, when you're posting your Reels, it's good to hashtag your Reels, like hashtag explore page, hashtag Reels, hashtag what the video is about. If somebody's following that hashtag, they'll see your post more because they're following the hashtag. So always hashtag your post. On top of Reels, there's also something new about Instagram's algorithm that is gonna make your Instagram a little bit more poppin'. This thing called advanced settings. Advanced settings is basically where you can describe your pictures. It's like hashtags on going crazy. So if you're not putting those little tags under your picture isn't going to be seen to a lot of people because the way Instagram is working now. Anyway, the next number 3 tip that you can do on your Instagram is start sharing other people's posts. Sharing your posts and sharing other people's posts, and having people share your posts is getting more impressions. So Instagram is more about how many seconds people are looking on your Instagram. So if you are posting pictures, definitely post 3 in a row. This is kind of number 4 and 3 tip. Post 3 in a row so that people are staying on it longer. And also, if you know that person or you want to boost their thing, like start sending them out. And if you guys want to, I can start a group chat. Okay, group chat, an engagement group chat where you, my followers, me, astronauts. This is for astronauts, only astronauts only, okay? Basically, we're gonna have an engagement group where you guys will send me your posts. Of course, I'll send my posts, and all you have to do is just share them onto your socials, onto your little Instagram story, put a little like hearts, and then boom, you just boosted your Instagram that much, and your post is going to be seen by their followers, your followers. And also, we'll be commenting under people's posts. Like, you still have to comment at least 4 characters, like you have to, and they have to be words, no like emojis, 4 words on each post. So in our engagement group chat, we can like boost each other by growing the family of the astronauts. So if you guys are in tune to that, definitely Why can't I think of the name of the app? Basically, I'm gonna have the app somewhere over here, and we're all gonna have a group chat right here where we're gonna do engagements on it. Okay, we good, Asha and I, we on the same page. Gucci. I recommend posting at least 4 times a week on Instagram if you want to grow your Instagram. I also recommend at least once a day. You want to keep posting as much so you can get as much people's eyes on you. Just make some good quality pictures with good lighting, and definitely make sure that you have those angles right. And that if you do all of those things, your Instagram should definitely be popping. If you use any of these tips, share this video and definitely comment down below and subscribe and follow me on my socials if I helped you out. And so you guys, I also did start my new business, the Black Pages Agency, where basically I'm going to be doing consulting and branding consulting and websites, media kits for all of my influencers and all my business people that need help with their business. I'm in my business degree really soon, and you know, with this degree I want to help you guys and be a resource to you guys. So definitely check out my website, and so I can't wait to talk to you guys and chat about your socials and your business so we can get it on and popping, okay? So I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.